poison, stay away from snakes. I'm like Rihanna, niggas just can't stay away from these Drakes.
Bro, who is that? Who are you? But anyway, look. We got some, what we got? We got a lot. We gonna come with some. Wait, nah, I gotta stand up. We gonna come with some. We gonna come with some yo. We come with them right there. You know what I mean? We don't just use regular noodles in the trap. No. Then we had to hit them folks salt with the garlic bread already. All right. Then we got that ground beef. We got that ground beef, motherfucker. That ain't all we got. We got that corn, motherfucker, too. Ooh-wee. Is that mild, bro? Oh, yeah, and we got that ragu. We got that ragu, motherfucker, too. Yeah, sir. I found you randomly. Oh, what's up then, bro? Welcome to the stream, brother. Hey, that ain't all we got. We got the jizzy. Really got shit going. Then we got the salt. Wait, hold on. Let me get y'all boys right. Hold on. We got that pepper, motherfucker. You gonna need that bit to be spicy. You know what I mean? We got him. Then we got that onion powder. Yes, sir. Oh, yo. Then we got the adobo. Yes, sir, ski. Oh, yeah. Black pepper. We need that bitch extra kicking. You know what I mean? Hey, hold on. And we got some garlic powder. We locked in. Don't even ask about that. That ain't going in the food. Alright. Oh yeah, and we got these motherfucker right here too. This how we get down in the trap, boy. If y'all don't want to clean no dishes, boy, you gotta get these hoes in the trap. I'm telling you. Pack them up. Alright, so first thing first, we gonna throw these hoes in the air fryer, motherfucker. Then we gonna get the noodles boiling in this motherfucker right here. And then we gonna get the meat cooking right here. See the vision. Oh, I was about to say, boy, did I clean this motherfucker? Hold on. All right. I guess we making spaghetti subs. Okay. Intermission. I need a knife. You got that knife, motherfucking hand. I can't lie. Should have got a plate. I wasn't even thinking. I'm supposed to cut the bread without a plate. Wait, hold on now. Wait, hold on. We need to bump some of that. Bump that back.
Wait before the jack is jack. You know what I mean? They pass me up, could run it all. I don't mean if there was a problem, yo.
Yes, sir.
Ice, baby.
Hold on.
Ice, baby. Alright, stop. Collaborate and listen. Ice is back with my brand new invention. Something grabs a hold of me tightly. Flow like a harpoon daily and nightly.
Yeah.
Yo,
wait, hold on.
Oh! Yo!
No way! That motherfucker come apart like that? All we need is two. Huh? What you talking about, boy? You tripping out, boy? Oh, next time you need a bad... Ooh! Nah. I like to cook for the whole life. No cap. I like cooking, bro. No cap. I'm really finna show y'all niggas how I cook up. And I can't really cook up listening to no shit like that. Hold on. Oh, yeah. Now we gonna get this water boiling. Now we need to really start this up. Real. Put the thing like... Hold on, that hole not even plugged in.
Call me what you want, but you can't call me selfish. I didn't keep it real with every nigga that I dealt with. From lawyer fees to bond money. Ain't nothing to say, but they gon' find a way to talk about it. I really can't get hard.
on. Who the hell is that? Hey, appreciate that follow. I don't even know who that was. I couldn't see it. Oh yeah, we cooking. That motherfucker vibrating and shit like that. Oh yeah. Alright, now we come. How we gonna throw these hoes in there?
Sometimes, but I know how my people get. And we both went to jail about some shit your sister did. Shit, that's my cousin too. She act like she don't know a nigga. She took the stand like she don't know a nigga. Not to mention she used to live with me. Got some money and ain't think about you. I'm your little brother, they can't tell you different. Dumb shit in Rick could be you sprayed it with me. Hate you in the A, but they better not go against it.
Now we need to get that meat ready. So you really want the bread to be done first.
They feel like I owe them cause I gotta lie. But then nobody care when I was down and out. Dishing out all this money, I finally bought a car.
This really be that part that be blowing. And hold on, we can cut it like.
Soaking up the game before this shit is done. I've been in and out of jail, can't get a 2-year run. Since I'm trying to hold me back, won't let me go take care of business. Finally got a good PO to rest on with some hating bitches. Ghetto find another girl, take them for who he is. Got love for Shawty too,
hey, whole time I thought I was gonna cut myself.
I hate this rap shit cause they forget a nigga human. I'm rich, I ain't got no feelings, I'm guessing that's what they're assuming. I took my whole gang on the road and crossed the world touring. Just
hey, no homo for the weird niggas in chat.
I leave 100K sitting on the bus, hope they ain't taking from me. But I never know, cause I never get this shit in.
Yeah! Oh, no! What try that? Alright, now we gonna want them up. We gonna wanna get that whole. Before you even really get to cooking that whole, you wanna get that whole where you want it. So you can really season it up evenly and you're gonna have to keep throwing that whole on there.
About being street, but I did time I slung on, and I made some money out that trap house.
Call me what you want, but you can't got me selfish.
I didn't keep it real with every nigga that I dealt with. From lawyer fees to bond.
Alright, once we got that cooking, we might well throw that thing on. You know we're gonna throw that motherfucker on high. I wasn't even finna play with you. So look, it started off. You know what I mean? We wanna get that complete seasoning going.
Them niggas broke cause they too focused on what I'm doing. I got rich, still told this banger I'm a good influence. These rap niggas be click hopping, I'm already here. Way before I had power, I had a 50 on that clip. Make sure that it's on me, cause we might die if we ain't scrap. I fought with this haven, but I put Bama on the map. Remember skipping school, now we tryna hear a bell. Don't care if he in Portland, got them shooters on this trail. Couple homies changed on me, got me ballin' by myself. In that water like a Michael, this some pain, they never fell, yeah. It ain't only in my yard, you see it everywhere. To a mention from a cold ass jail cell. Only us and we ain't fucking with no new niggas. Should've been a doctor, nothing that I do little. Tryna come out that lean just so I can move quicker. Yeah. Tell them niggas if it's smoke with us, don't send the ones they love. I shed tears, sweat, and blood. Won't let you take it from me, nigga. I'm a thug.
Hold on, I don't know if y'all can see that.
Even though that cat don't take that pain.
Hey, that one on the right look toasted up, but that one on the left, that bitch came out how it was supposed to.
I be here.
Hold on, we ain't even worry about that. Come on.
I be here.
Yeah, we done plug, you know, baby.
I be here.
Your ass about to walk.
I'll be. Magazines, we told clips, we told faders. Hope you don't plan on watching us, we go cut off your cable. Want you hungry niggas to hit these shots, we took off the potato. I'm the best rapper alive, nigga. Best rapper dead, that's if I die, nigga. All I know is never tell and stay fly, nigga. So when I'm walking through Delta, the
oh yeah, and there's some red peppers. Now you can really throw that on there how you want to, but I like it spicy, so I'm gonna really throw that junk on there.
Them niggas broke cause they too focused on what I'm doing. I got rich, still told this banger I'm a good influence. I'ma run it up until it's all okay. Even though that cat don't take that pain away. Close to the Joker, he be front line with that K. And I be here when the sun rise, I can't wait. Take my heart, then you leave me. Don't act like you need me. Posing this Rolls Royce, it ain't mine, it's Kingston. One day I fly so high with my wings. I do not want this like that they dream of.
Skis. That bitch cooking how you supposed to. I need to get cooked up too.
The Percocets like steroids, they got me staying strong. And I've been rocking palm because I'm hands on. Speeds it with me, we reminiscing through jail calls. Shot the dice to come up, that's the same thing caused to fail off. Too lit to poach these sticks, they gon' raid us like Randy Moss. On the road that man for COVID, we drill, then we'll take them off. On that jet, I'm flying, I'm telling Slim, I'm so
and y'all boys gotta make sure both sides brown. Can't be having no pink meat.
But she feel his money and his fame more important than her. I just need someone to love. I just need someone to love.
Hey, but all that grease though, you gonna need to empty that too though.
I just need someone to love. Okay, them niggas everything they wanna. For them to sit around and talk about me. Like I ain't breaking bread like I did in shit. Only thing you cannot get back on this earth is time. So I buy all the marks for when the county locked me down. Feel like I got so much to prove. I can't lose. All these tennis chains on, I couldn't afford tennis shoes. I was in and out of jail. They was telling me I'm next. Like how I'm sleeping on a rack. I was sleeping on a jet. Screaming fuck the industry, cause I can do it by myself.
Hold on, but he's good tonight.
I can do it by myself. To get on famous, I start aiming and shoot straight back to Mobile.
Nigga said Nighetti, I just peeped that.
Hope he forget
welcome to the stream, Mike.
Trying to come up with a prayer.
Oh, that must have been regardless we ball. Appreciate that follow, brother.
They think, but she feel his money and his fame more important than her.
That boy whipping. Come on, how the noodles doing? You good over here, baby? Oh, you probably need to be on match too. On play. Can't lie. Every household I ever been in, if you ain't cooking on high, you really don't want to eat. Hey, so then you want to get that corn, motherfucker. You want to open that. Like Sundays, you know, they got can openers. We don't got that in the truck. You know what I mean? Niggas gonna have to put that knife to work. You don't got no knife skills. You just don't eat canned food. Lose one life, we take 10. Ain't talking about a hotel. I stay real into my days. Boiling, baby. Get loaded. Off that poison, stay away from snakes. Like Rihanna. Niggas just can't stay away from these drakes. Alright, now while that's boiling, we're gonna have to drain this oil out of here right here. I'ma make sure you save. Even though we went out different ways. Alright, when you get all that grease, when you get all that grease drained, that's what that whole supposed to be looking like. You just want to sit him down until the noodles done. Inside my Rolex like Takashi, she wanna do a 6'9". It's two things she can't get from me is trust and my attention. Coming over I'm telling you, bro, I'm telling you, I'm a real chef. I do this. Like literally. That's what I'm saying. I need a big girl. I need me one that like to eat so I can fill her up. Hey, Tony, I'm here to tell you it wasn't gave to me. When I walk in Neiman Marcus, employees salute me. Hey, really grew up with killers, then have to recruit them. Risk it all, so I put gold on your ankles. I'm something like Kurt, we fucking in different angles. Why the fuck I'm confessing to some I ain't do? I'm high as hell, I just took this shit with the angels. That was auto-tune, girl, stop asking me, can I sing to you? I can lead you to the water, but that's something I can't bring to you, yeah. But that's something I can't bring to you, yeah. Hey, not a worker, hell no, I'm a boss. Hey, 30 bad bitches in my office. 7 in the morning, I ain't even yawn yet. I wake up sipping lean like it's coffee. Hey, I just spent 100 bands like I lost it. Dirty money, put it all in saran wrap. But I ain't tryna suffocate, did it. I'm dropping blood, sweat, and tears on it. I'm here to tell you it wasn't gave to me. Oh, yeah. All we gonna need to do next, drain the water out of that hole. Then we locked in.
It ain't no way Rest in peace, Trey, baby. I heard they killed him in his house.
Alright. So then once you get that bit drained out, that hoe gonna be looking like this right here. Then you wanna throw them. Come on, now you wanna throw in the noodles, meat, cucumber, and Ragu in there with the Ragu.
Ride around with that chainsaw while I'm in Texas.
With the Ragu in there, fool.
Yeah. Big on loyalty, got niggas I won't play ball. Tied into the game, it ain't no way out. If I go back broke,
when you throw that Ragu on there, you can't just throw that Ragu in there. You gotta throw some more of this hole in there.
We gon' knock your nigga down if we never see you. Thought I made it out the
Alright,
streets,
man,
I
y'all
fell a
good.
little
You don't need to see
bit.
that hole.
Fuck the same
Yeah,
bitches
yeah,
that
see
watch a
you.
nigga count a meal up. They hate I'm still
But you
here.
throw some
I watch
complete
you niggas go
seasoning
buy
in that bit,
earplugs.
man, with that Ragu on top.
Have they ever told you good times don't last? I got niggas in a pen like a wrestling match. My lungs and my right foot, they both on gas. If I could, I buy you rollies every time you ask. I buy Pateks for your times, I buy you rollies. I buy Bugats for your time, I buy you APs. Won't let them grade me. A nigga still on top the game like I'm chasing this shit. A nigga still on top the game like McGrady and shit. She right back fucking for your weight. These niggas dying for bitches. Committing sins and we can't count how many times we did it. Mama, your child, alright. This my destiny. I be wanna trust them niggas, but I can't though. Like a dodge, I be here when the rain go. They telling me to go back to my old flow, but I can't though. I guess that pain show. I guess that pain show. Pain show, I guess that pain. I guess that pain show, I guess that pain show, I guess that pain.
Hey, then once you get down with that hoe gonna look something like this.
Man, let Joe talk about shit that we combine.
That hoe gonna look something like that. Then what you wanna do? You wanna taste that bit quick, you know what I mean?
Get it off.
See if you need to add something else to this
I heard
bit.
they killed him in his house. So I got so many guns up in the couch. See the blood on that money that don't count. Before you ban me, gotta kill me in your town.
I don't know if it's cause I'm high already, but this job finna be good as a bitch. Hold on. Throw some more of this on that bitch. Ooh. That's good.
This one crazy, fool.
That's good.
Spaz it out. It's
Look on that. It don't never make you round. Is there? How you need it?
I come from dirt, but I can be a star any minute. When you fly like this, it ain't nothing that get higher. When you shine like this, it ain't nothing that get brighter.
Then you wanna get one of these hoes right here. Oh yeah, for all the new folks, you don't really wanna. Hold on. You don't really wanna wash no dishes in the trap, so you gonna need to get these hoes. You need these hoes. Paper plates, paper spoons and forks. You gotta get right. I don't even know why I'm using this though. But you gotta get right.
And I do not walk in clothes unless they running me band. If they don't know I'm taking risks, I cut off so many hands. Fuck it, we gon' take the glasses, they ain't handing out lens. I'm an angel to my mama, I'm a demon to the streets. Every time they tell her something, she don't believe it about her son. If the label see me 50, it be gone in the month. Tryna help everyone who would've never gave me nothing. Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't cry, nigga, don't cry. Whoa, nigga, don't bow. John Wall.
Just like John Wall.
Whoa.
Whoa. Just cook that good motherfucking ragu. Ragu Nighetti. That's what we calling that. Nighetti ragu. Yo, nigga just cooked up some Nighetti. Hold on. I ain't even show y'all boys. Hold on. Let me get y'all right. Nigga just cooked up some Nighetti ragu. You can't get none though. You can't get none.
Left them designing kicks at home today. I got on 23s. Fake friends, a bunch of pain. The only thing that I achieved. I came in this bitch alone, so I don't think I really need